So let's talk about what pet insurance is and how much it costs, how it's used, and the different types. So there are three different types of pet insurance. The first is accident and illness policies. This is the core pet insurance product. And so when somebody talks about pet insurance, more often than not, they're referring to an accident and illness policy. And this covers what it sounds like it covers. It covers fractures, cuts, diseases, infections, surgeries, hospitalizations, and many other treatments. There's typically a 2-week waiting period between the time you purchase an accident and illness policy and when the coverage begins. So if you buy the policy today, you'll wait 2 weeks, and then any treatment that occurs after that point, you'll be eligible to be reimbursed for. The next product is accident-only insurance. And this covers surgeries, hospitalizations for wounds, cuts, fractures, but it won't cover diseases or infections or other illnesses. The last type of insurance is something called wellness insurance. And this is typically an add-on product to an accident and illness policy. This covers routine care. There's typically not a waiting period on wellness insurance. So if you buy wellness insurance, you'll be eligible to use it tomorrow if you go to the vet. And this will cover regular checkups, vaccines, dental cleanings, spay, neuter, and other forms of routine treatment. Now let's talk about the average price in the US for pet insurance. And it varies greatly by breed, age, zip code, but generally speaking, the average cost of a dog insurance policy, and this is an accident and illness policy, is approximately $575 annually. A pet owner will typically pay for this policy on a monthly basis. And then at the time of treatment, they'll pay out of pocket for the treatment, and then they'll be reimbursed in a matter of days. A cat policy is on average quite a bit more inexpensive. So it's approximately $350 annually for a cat policy. Now, the three things that a pet owner needs to decide on before they buy a policy are the deductible, reimbursement rate, and annual limit. A deductible is the amount of money you'll need to pay out of pocket annually before insurance will start to cover a portion of your pet's medical bills. And those deductibles range anywhere from $100 to up to $1,000. A reimbursement rate is the percentage of the total medical expense that insurance will reimburse after you meet your deductible. And reimbursement rates range anywhere from 60% all the way up to 90% for the best coverage. The final thing a pet owner needs to look at is the annual limit. And this is the maximum amount of money that insurance will pay out after your deductible is met. And this can range anywhere from $10,000 up to an unlimited amount. So if you want the best coverage possible, you'll choose a really low deductible of about $100, a reimbursement rate of about 90%, and an annual limit up to an unlimited level.